Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 18, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 18, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 18, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 18, 2024, Monday. Here are my tonight's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, November 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 18, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.